Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel once again. Welcome to Morning Matter channel, where we learn how to make soap and other cosmetics. Have you ever heard or seen handcrafted soap like this? It's simple. If that's what you want to see, what you want to learn, you're in the right place. Just follow me as I take you there step by step, and you can make as many patterns as you want. Let's quickly dive into this. Okay, today I'll be using two different kinds of oil. I'll be using the PKO oil, which is 300 grams, while the tallow oil, which is 700 grams. So I'll be using these two oil to make this beautiful soap. Okay, and then if today is your first time of coming across my video, you are really welcome. In my previous videos, I taught us how to make tallow. This is tallow oil, which is 700 grams. I taught us how to extract tallow oil by ourselves. Tallow oil is very good. It's edible and also good for making our soap. And this is PKO 300 grams. So these are the two types of oil I'll be using. You can use any kind. There are oil you can use for soap, but I'm choosing these two for the soap that we are making today. Okay, and here I have my caustic solution. I pre-soaked it before this particular video. And what was the measurement of my caustics? I measure 144 grams for the soap I'm making. And also I have the soda as solution. I also pre-soaked that one to make this video fast. Okay, and the measurement of the water I'm using is 400. Okay, so what did I do? I divided the water into two to soak the soda ash and also the caustic soda. So here I am mixing the two oils I'm going to be using. I make the two oil and then I mix them together.
So I have 1 liter of the oil here.
I run online classes.
1 liter of oil, which is 1.
And presently we are doing free classes for now, so you can do well to join us. Okay, so I'll be mixing the chemical solution now with my oil. Okay, this is where when you mix them together, we'll talk about the line mixing with oil, which is going to give us production of soap. Okay, so you pour gradually. As you pour gradually, you mix it thoroughly. You pour gradually, you mix. Okay, just take your time in it. Don't be too slow and don't be too fast. Okay, as you pour, you mix. As you pour, you mix.
Okay, and then to remind us,
I haven't poured the first solution there. Okay, mix it for some time. Take your time and make sure that the oil is not separating. So mix it very well.
I start putting my caustic soda.
Okay, if you are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe and put on the notification bell so that each time I upload new content like this, you'll be among the first set of people to get it. So I'm pouring the second solution, which is the caustic soda. Okay, and as I pour, I mix. As I pour, I mix.
In your hand before you are done
Okay,
with it.
Please do give this video a like.
So you keep mixing it, mix it thoroughly.
Give it thumbs up. Okay, and do share it. You are free to make your request of any kind of soap you want us to make.
So when I mix it thoroughly,
so I keep mixing for some time until I see that they are properly blended, which is very important.
Okay,
make sure they are properly blended. Okay, keep mixing.
When I run on,
feel free to join my online classes.
You see my WhatsApp number.
Check the link at the description section, or you reach me on the
link to the
phone number
free online classes
on the screen.
In the description.
The WhatsApp number on the screen.
Click on that and join us on the free
reach me on
online
it.
classes.
Thanks for staying. I appreciate your time spent watching my video, and I believe you are getting value for your time.
Okay, before it forms the thick trace, I will be
so I will mix it thoroughly like this. I will be sharing it to, I will be putting something to different, because I'll be using 3 different type of colors. You can use 1 color, you can use 2 colors. If you want to get this handcrafted type of soap, you will need at least 3 types of color so that it can come out well. Okay, just put little. The one I put here is even too much for it, because I found out that when I was mixing the color, it wasn't funny. Okay, yeah, so you can bring in the color, that is blue color, and then I'll be adding, sorry it's not coming out very well, that is there, that's the green color there, and this is the red color I'm pouring now. Sorry, it didn't come out very well, you still see it. Okay, so I mix this together. This one is the green color. Okay, the bowl is small, or maybe I will have put little of the butter instead of putting much. Okay, so that is the green color. Mix it thoroughly so that the color mixes well with your butter, with your, yes, and this is the red color. Mix it well with the red color, and then we mix the, sorry it's getting dark, I don't know why they're blinking out there. Okay, so the blue color, okay, just mix it thoroughly, and then put a little more red. Take your time in mixing them. So you mix the main one, just make sure it doesn't form thick trace before you mix them. If not, you might not get the best. I was already taking much time here. Okay, let me just manage this mold I want to use. I'll be using this takeaway disposable plastic for the mold. Okay, just be creative with your, so you're still mixing the colors. Okay, I've really seen this red one. Okay, like the 3 colors are here now. Just the blue, the red, and the green colors. These are the 3 colors I'll be mixing. That's it. Okay. Okay, we have the red, we have the green, and the blue, and this is the main one. So I'll be using this. Decided to change the mold because so I'll be managing this. It won't come out very well. So you take the green color, so I pour it there, mix it, not too deep, just scatter it, not necessarily mixing together to blend. You don't have to blend it, just a little mixing so that it can penetrate it. Yes, and I pour the black. You can see the red one there. It's already forming a thick trace. Don't let your own form thick trace like that. Don't let it be as thick as that. Okay, just a little mixing. Okay, you can see the colors coming out, blended color already. Let's concentrate on this one. You can see it's already out. Okay, so you can just use your hand to do a little crafting there. Yes, I let us. It's okay. Okay. Wow, it's time to unmold. It's time to unmold. I later plastered the head very well. That's why it came out like that. Look at it already. You can see the other colors penetrating. Just wait, let us cut it before you appreciate it very much. You can see it. You can see. It's how far your colors could go.
You can see
You
it.
can see.
So we'll be cutting
So don't let it be
so
as thick as my own trace before you mix it, so that it can penetrate well. So let's just use our kitchen knife to cut it.
Very, very strong.
Okay, it's very, very strong, very strong. The tallow help it to be very strong. Wow, see the pattern color that came out. It's really beautiful. And let's cut other ones. You can see it. What a beautiful make, what a beautiful mixture. Can you just imagine it to be blue, yellow color or purple? So you can imagine different colors coming out with it. Okay, you can see it having different kind of colors. And so let us test it and let us see the work we have done. So this is some water. Put the soap to test what we have done. Okay, just take one piece of it and then let's go testing it, testing it, testing it, testing it.
See your soap. Can see your soap.
Okay, you can see it.
You can see the soap you produce.
You can see the product we just made.
What are you waiting for?
Very, very nice one.